We had the opportunity to submit for this project in 2017, and as a practice, we really enjoy working in the public education sector. For myself, this project was special because Aratai College serves the community that I'm a part of, and I was very interested in contributing to the success of this project. The immediate brief for the project was to provide a school for 850 students. But to the college, the most important part was to provide a strong sense of place and a community for its learners, a place that was focused on learning and that re-established itself physically within the heart of the community again. In the past, Linwood College had lost some of its appeal amongst its community, and we believe the success of this project is based on both the pedagogical aspirations of the school, but also combining those with the social aspirations and creating spaces that are collaborative, that bring learners together, both outside, but also within the learning environments inside the buildings. And this has provided an opportunity for the children to excel, both academically as well as personally. As a high school, the project contains a wide range of both specialized as well as general teaching spaces. And we've arranged these spaces into individual buildings and then ordered these buildings and placed these buildings in a manner that they create central outdoor spaces that form the heart of the campus. These organizational principles are carried through internally as well, with learning hubs being centered around individual atria for each hub, providing a heart for that community of learners, and then the spaces, the informal spaces, being aligned with the outdoor courtyard spaces so that learning can easily spill from the interior to the exterior.
We've been so fortunate that the project has achieved all its foundational aims. The kaupapa of the community consultation and the architectural brief has been achieved, and we are very grateful.